Alright guys, I may or may not have bought something. Here's the story on this purchase. So for the Mustang that we're doing, which I have not done a video over that yet, I was just asking around, hey, do you have a 2JZ? But just as a joke. Then Brad comes into my comment section saying, well, I have a spare 2JZ. But it turns out that the 2JZ comes in a car, dude. Today I'm going with my papa to Arkansas to go pick this car up. We'll see from there. Let's get into this. This is my first real car purchase of my own. So I'm gonna have 2 drift cars, boys. Got the truck and trailer. So we still have to build the Mustang, and I'm going and buying another car. I think it's still gonna be a drift car. I didn't think I was gonna buy a GS300, but I always love GS300s because I've seen Hertz GS300. Alright, so as I got to Brad's house to buy this thing, got this. Sir. I had fun taking some videos around the car, looking around it. So this is Brad's shop with the Fox Body Mustang. That's who I'm buying this off of. We backed up the trailer up to the car. The car kind of fought us. Yeah. The car did not have any gas to power it all the way up, so we got Brad to use his truck to push the car up onto the trailer. The car rolled up on the trailer with ease. Of course, you always have problems, and it kind of got stuck in the middle. No worries, Brad had a solution to that. I had to quickly go behind the car and hold it in place because of no brakes, but we put it in park. Hell yeah. Here's Brad trying to fit the hood on without any latches. The hood didn't latch on, so we had to use some ratchet straps. All of them just fell off 20 minutes into the trip. Here's the situation. Blue ratchet strap, I don't know where it went. Red one, so it's only being held on by this right now. So, yep.
Back in Oklahoma.
Back in Oklahoma. We finally made it to our house. Got the doors open, got the trailer backed up, and here's to the rest of the video. My new car on the trailer. Oh yeah, got a mirror. Is it ready for me?
Did you stop me, max brake?
Yeah, it's all the way down.
All the way on the floor?
Okay, now it is. Again.
Pump them up. Alright, so ease your back.
It's not go. Are we stuck? I think we're stuck. Woo! We made it! We made it! Oh my god. That sucks. We made it back around 30 minutes or an hour ago, and it's already about to start pouring down rain, so we made it back just on time. Well, we just made it back on time. Hopefully it doesn't get too flooded, so I can go in there and work on it tomorrow. I want to try to put her in the driver's seat of the GS300. Maybe she'll follow me over here. So guys, it is the second day from whenever I've purchased this car and put it in my shop. So looking at it now, it's not a it's kind of a POS, but the paint does not matter. The taillights are clean and stuff. Yeah, we kind of rolled back a little too far. As a 17-year-old, it's really setting in now. Yesterday I gave him the money, we put it on the trailer, we came here, dropped it off, and I just went to sleep. I'm 17 years old and I got 2 project cars now. I've not talked about the Mustang at all. That thing will soon be built. We're gonna LS swap it. That one's gonna be a full race car. This one, I'm gonna keep it streetable. Hopefully I'll get a hood on it, but I love the no hood look on it because 2JZ. I was telling Brad, a turbo would sit so nicely right in there. We gotta figure out the AC situation, figure out how to even make it run first, because I would love to clean this car up, but I'm not gonna roll this car out here and all the way around to the street, then all the way to the front of the house to get this thing clean. So I'm gonna have to get it started first for that to happen. So it's gonna stay a little dirty for now. Yeah, we got spiders and stuff, you know. You never know where they are. Oh, I don't like touching this. We do have this radiator box right here. I kind of want to take a look inside of it. Whenever we first pulled up, I had this whole dialogue in my head of what I was gonna say, but I just went there and I was just speechless. Buying my first car at 17, owning like a car of my own that I paid for, it's really awesome. So these wheels, I don't think these are stock. There's some alloy chromed out wheels. All the tires are good except of this side right here. Yeah, it's kind of flat. Radiator support, it's kind of mangled up. I think I can actually just take this part out, either get a new one, or maybe I can just hammer it a little. So I think this car was crashed in the front right there. I don't know how bad the crash damage was, but windshield was all broken, but Brad got it all fixed. Interior just needs a little cleanup. There might be spiders in there, so I'm not gonna sit on that seat. You guys just wait until we get a body kit on this. Maybe clean these headlights up a little bit. I'm trying to get her. I'm trying to get her to go with me. So my goal for today was just spray the spider stuff basically everywhere. Oh god. Okay, we're good. So I'm hoping that there aren't any major spiders in here. Oh, I found the button for the gas tank, but whenever you pull it, it didn't open. So hopefully I just need a battery for that, but I need to get like a stick. I don't want to touch this. There has to be spiders on here. Looks like we're gonna kill some spiders today. Pull that out and we're good. You know, I don't want to mess with any fiddlebacks or, you know, poison you. Hood parts. I got a hood. So that's the old radiator right there. That's the new one. I just want to take a look at it right now. Realize I have not given you guys a tour. Well, what is okay? This is my mom's grandparents' house, and this is their shop. They built all of this. Her papa or grandpa, I don't know. He built stuff, you know? In this shop, he used to build race cars. It just looks like any normal grandma car, but I'll build this thing up in the shop to what it is meant to be. Even crazier than the Mark IV Supra in Fast and Furious. It like catches right there. Let's try this again. That sounds amazing. Let's try this one. Oh, such a good car. I just need to clean it out. Yeah, maybe there's some tabs broken on this. I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks like you could just connect it, put some wiring in. Not mechanically inclined to do that, so. You can see some like glitter, some sparkle right there. Maybe up top right here. Yeah, dude, that is smooth. Wow, that is smooth. But then you get to the dirty stuff. Dude, that is literally just a rinse off. I have to just pop that out. That was from the ratchet strap. Next video, I'm gonna try to figure out how to make it run. Clean the injectors, put some gas in it, put a battery in it. So we don't live in Australia, but we're still in Oklahoma. We still got some creepy crawlies, you know. It's best to just clean around the car and stuff. So that's basically it. I'm just gonna clean some more with the spider spray, and this is the new car. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Next video, it will be running, hopefully. Oh dude, I'm never gonna That's never gonna get old.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Bar time.
It really is. So Brad, he used this as a snow sled with his kids. Yeah, it's just a bunch of little things. It doesn't latch on, but that's a 2JZ, bro.
That's all I'm saying.
I don't want any spiders crawling into the engine.
Spider-Man car.
Spider-Man car. I don't like Spider-Man car.
Nah, do you
I got-
like video use? I don't know, ramen.
Like I'm saying, dude, it's a bunch of just tiny workaround, but
Small
look at
things.
VVTi. Easier for like tuning and stuff. Messing with the mirror.
Just kidding.
I don't know where that goes.
I see.
By the way, where you're standing right now, that's probably where all the spiders are.
Well, they're gonna be my best friends in a second. They're gonna be scared of me.
You sure?
Yeah.
New windshield?
Use the one we found at the track.
I still have that. So the guy that I bought this from, that was his headlight.
Use his headlight on this car.
Have to put in a battery. That's probably what I'll do tomorrow. E36s are this kind of a style of a
Door handle.
door handle, yeah. So they call this the gentleman's Supra. Because, you know,
Eco-friendly veneer wooding.
that's probably what it's called.
Galvanized square steel.
Dude, you can be a model just in Gran Turismo. Freaking. Hey, you know what we can do? We can put the side mirrors like right here on the fender.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. There you go.
Dude, that's actually good. Just tape it. Just duct tape it, bro. We got a DVD player, dude. I was told that the stock radio system's actually good in this car. I mean, we'll see with that. Dude, it needs a detail. So if you want to detail a car, man.
Hey, I don't detail cars, but I'll steal your Cadillac converter.
Oh, it's catless too, so you can't do that. You can see how I almost went straight through here, bro.
When you just stop when you got your feet like pushed on.
Yeah. We just got stuff up there, bro. And there's RC planes up there that we never really...
Pull ladder.
That's an old school pull ladder, it looks like. That's basically what this GS300 is going to be.
Art.
No builder man right there. Oil rig.
Think he Bob the Builder.
Nah. I got an idea. Yeah, this is where all the spiders are in here.
If I reach under there, there's gonna be a spider.
I'm needing an air filter. I could just use this one.
Oh yeah?
It was me with that truck. Get him to pull this behind it and make it a snow sled, bro. Yeah.
You need to air up your tires. You got a big air compressor.
I might just drive it to y'all's house so I can just air it up.
It went from 20 psi to 42 in 3 seconds. 3 to
And that's for
10
tires, bro?
seconds, yeah.
At least 5.
At least like 20 to 15 seconds. It really
Okay, so it was not 3 seconds.
It wasn't 3 seconds. No, that was just like a random number I popped out.
I was wanting to open up the trunk. Dude, do I need a battery to open up the trunk too? Yeah, dude,
Alright, buddy. I ain't building that.
I'm not figuring that out, dude.
Just Legos, but more complex.
Look, this is what stopped it from going all the way back, bro. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for this journey because it's gonna get quite wild. So see you guys in the next one.